welcome to Mini Wasabi Vlog. Today we are doing how to take your dog a bath. Dog, guess Tito Capotito. Okay, so he doesn't want to take a shower, but he has to. Today's his shower day. So, here, let's have, okay, shampoo. It's not his shampoo, but it's shampoo. Okay, so first you need to put the water, you put the dinghy down, the manguera or whatever it's called.
If you have one.
If you have one, or else just turn it on. You go inside, you put the thing down, and then you turn the water on, medium, hot, and cold. So you turn the middle one on. Okay, that one's on. Then you turn the cold one on little by little. See? And then water comes out. Now some hot water to put it at warmish. And then you test it out. Put it in your feet, test it out. Some more hot water. Make it warmish. Because dogs like it warm. You know what I'm talking about, right? Okay. Put it more warm. He's so scared. He doesn't want to take a shower. Move the toilet paper. I told you to move the toilet paper, Fernando.
Okay, where is it?
Right here.
Okay, thank you.
You're
I need it. Because I'm sitting on the toilet.
Okay, so here we go. It's kind of hot, so turn it more coldish, warmish.
Is good?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, yeah, good.
So here we go. Kind of cold just because today's hot, you know, the weather.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. You grab your dog, put it in the center, check if he's going like that shivering, you put it warmer, but my dog likes cold water. So here, just do him with cold water, put him in the middle. He doesn't want to stay in the middle, who cares, but wet his face, a little bit, get some in your hand, wet his head, wet his face, under, and then his legs and his tail. And then you get the shampoo, put 2 squirts in your hand, and then you rub it on your hand like this, and then you go like that. You put it right here, and right here, and right here on the head, and then you kind of put it in the legs too, so they're like, and then you put it in the ears, not in, but outside, and then you scrub.
No, really, dogs like when you scrub them.
And then in his legs, scrub, and head, scrub. Okay, then you clean your hands. And
You rinse him off.
So I'm just using shampoo. After, I'm going to use the conditioner. He won't go. Tito, stay still, baby. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's just a shower. You always get these kinds of things, Tito. So, don't cry. Why are you crying? Here, let's put it a little bit warmer.
Are you camera shy?
I think he's shy. I think he is shy. Here, it's warmish, coldish. Come on, Tito. Then you wet it in the face. Little bit, put in your hand. Scrub its head. Then get some in your hand. Put it so he can lick it. He's thirsty. put the water down, pull your pants up, and then you get conditioner. 3 squirts. Okay, that's 3 squirts. And then you just put it on the body. And the legs. Make sure it goes on good. And the tail. And the legs. More in the legs. Some in the neck. In the head. And the ear. And the belly. And then you just go like that. Then you rinse it off. Like this. And then you wait for like 2 minutes. Put it up. And then you stand there for 2 minutes. Here, 31 minutes. You can play with the water. You can weigh your cousin.
Don't weigh me.
Like this.
If your cousin's with you, you can't weigh him. Ow.
Okay. So now you rinse the dog. Whoop. And then you just rinse the dog. Make sure under its belly.
Your hair's in the way.
Oh, sorry, people. Then its head, you put some in your, and then you go like that. Okay. You're okay, buddy. You're okay, Mr. Mother. Then you go like that. Okay. You close the water. First the cold one, and then the hot one, and then the middle one. And then make sure there's no water or else it goes up to your armpit. And then you just go like that. Plug it back in. And huzzah. Then you get the towel. You rinse your hands. You put the towel laying on the ground. Like this. And then you dry your feet. And then you grab the doggy. Okay, and then you put him in the towel.
I got wet.
Come in. No, wait.
He's running away. He's running away.
Abajo de la señora que le ayuda.
You grab him. Then you try him.
Hey, did you know why when I was behind her, she had a 20 on her back? Because she was in the basketball league.
Yeah, go Memorial Park and Murray.
Let's go back to the restroom.
No, right now you just dry him, put him on the ground, make him go to the garden. And no, Tito, no, don't. And he could do that, but it's not necessary. So let's go back to the house. Come on, leave him. Bye, Tito Mozo. Come on, follow me. Follow me again. Follow me this way. Follow me that way. And then you just rest.
Okay.
Get some cold ice water, like this.
Hey,
Pick up
dale pues.
from Please buy Princess House merchandise.
You don't have to get plastic cups. Just get those cups.
So my mom is telling me to try my dog again, but he's already tried. Ay, Tito.
Tienes bien mojado. Quédense allá afuera.
Come on. Hen. Dry. Dry its tail. Then you go like that. You wave to your friend. That's Brian over there for your information. And that's Luis. That's Brian again. That's Emmanuel. I have a lot of friends here.
Me too. I have the same friends as you.
I have more friends than him, so he's a sucker.
You
My
wish.
cousin's a sucker.
You wish. Tito has more friends than you. He has more dog friends.
So you put him down, you put that, you stand it. Then you let him outside, rest, get some good treats.
I'm following your 20 shirt. Ow.
Get a plastic cup if you want,
Or
or a Princess Promotion. Ice cube, ice, some water in it.
it's like cracking, like those the candies.
And then drink it and happy life.
We'll come back.
Oh, hello people. Welcome back. Please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Hangouts, Samantha, or email sammyrdz0548@gmail.com.
Follow me on her Instagram too and stuff like that. And yeah.
Subscribe. Peace out, Rainbow Trout. And please watch Wasabi Productions and
Smosh.
Whoop!
Okay, guys, and leave a comment to what you want.